So in this video, you'll learn how to add the torch to the lock screen of your Galaxy A07. So if you want to have a torch shortcut on the lock screen of your phone so that it's easily activated, what you're going to do is just navigate to the lock screen editor. Now you can do this by opening the settings app on your phone. And then you want to scroll and select lock screen and then tap on edit lock screen. Alternatively, you can just go to the lock screen directly, and from here, you're going to long press on it to access the lock screen editor. If you have a PIN, password, or pattern, you'll be prompted to enter it in before accessing editing mode. Once you're in the lock screen editor, you're then going to tap on one of the shortcuts that are currently available on the lock screen of your phone. So you have the phone and another shortcut, the camera shortcut, already added. So you're going to have to replace one so that you can add the torch. So go ahead and choose the one that you would want to replace. And then from here, in the actions menu that appears, simply select torch. Once you've selected torch, you're going to tap on done to save and apply the changes. So now, whenever you're on the lock screen, you can easily activate the torch simply by swiping on the icon like so. And then you can see here, the torch has successfully come on. If I want to turn it off, it's just the same motion, just swiping across the icon and it will be turned off. And so that is how you can add the torch to the lock screen of your Galaxy A07. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.